Isn't it a lovely morning in Dubai? For those of you who have been watching my video in the morning, kind of got a heads up on me going to be making a spaghetti omelette roll today. So let's have a quick look at the ingredients first, right? Of course, eggs, definitely, it's an omelette. Some spaghetti that I've already prepared. Very quickly, hot water, 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil so that it doesn't stick together, and then just let it boil so that it's nice and cooked. Sausages that I have sliced in half and then fried them very quickly. Some mozzarella cheese. You can use mozzarella cheese or you can use cheddar cheese slices as well, whatever is available. Don't get too worried if you don't have one or the other. Coriander, nicely chopped. Some green chili as well, nicely chopped. Some milk that will go into the omelette to make it a bit fluffy. Oil to fry it in. Some crushed chili if you like spices, otherwise you can do without, and of course salt and pepper, right? So let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is crack 2 eggs into the bowl. Okay, I'm going to add some coriander, some green chili. Now if you don't like spicy, you can leave out on the chili. And just mix it up, right? I'm gonna add some salt now and some salt after I add the spaghetti and everything else. You can probably hear the rain in the back. It is just amazing in Dubai. It's been raining for the last 2 days and we're just loving it. Alright, start up the fire. Get some oil in there. Right, while the oil is heating, I'm going to add some milk to the mix. That makes it nice and fluffy once it's cooked and very, very soft, right? It's time to add the eggs. There we go. Just bring in the sides from the walls. That will help to kind of make it strong from the sides, because you will need that once you are folding the egg. Again, one more time. So, curl it around a couple of times until it's nice and thick, not as runny. Right, so the egg is almost done now. And what I'm going to do next is to add the spaghetti. Right, don't add too much because otherwise it will become difficult for you to handle, because the egg becomes heavy. Okay, next I will put in 2 slices of sausages. Yeah, you can put more, but I usually put 2 or 3. I'm gonna put 2 now today, just so that it's easier for you to handle. But as you get the hang of it and more practice, you'll be able to add more. Some coriander. At this stage, I'm going to add some more salt, and of course some pepper. Some more crushed chili, because this order is for a spicy egg. Next goes some mozzarella cheese. After the mozzarella cheese, I'm going to add some cheddar cheese slices. This will give it that nice and cheesy texture, as well as help it to bind together once I toss it over, right? I'm gonna be using 2 spatulas because it will be easier to handle. You just toss it over on top and hold it in place for a couple of seconds, and that should be good. Then you can toss over the other side, bring it to the end. There you go, just hold it there. Okay, the egg is nicely done. Going to dish it out in a plate, and of course decorate it with some coriander. Decorated it nicely with some coriander, and I'm going to add also some drops of hot sauce. There you have it. Nice and cheesy, very good for a weekend snack. I'm gonna cut it and show you the inside. As you can see, nicely cooked, beautifully done. Let's also have a quick bite and see how it turned out. Isn't that lovely? Wow, out of this world. Alright guys, I hope you liked what you saw. Signing out, Abuzar Qaseem from Qaseem's Kitchen. Bye bye.